Run the awning out to almost full extension in order to allow access to the fasteners that secure the awning arms to the wall of the unit. Keep in mind that some fasteners may be behind wire covers. Next, you will want to remove the bottom two and middle two fasteners from the mount arm. Next, you will want to disconnect the wires from the awning arm from the wires in the unit. If the unit is equipped with an awning light that is mounted to the top wall of the unit, make sure to take the wires out of the arm from the top side. Next, you can use the cordless battery from a screw gun to run the arm into within 18 inches of being fully closed. Once the arm is in the desired position, secure the outer arm to the mount arm by taking a zip tie and running around the pin at the top of the mount arm where the mount arm and inner arm connect. If you're replacing the drive side, secure the idle side with a zip tie as well to stop the awning from unrolling. There will be a number 8 wax screw that holds the drive head shaft to the end cap on the roll tube. You will need to remove this. After removing that, you may remove the support arm assembly from the end cap. With the roll tube properly supported now, remove the last two fasteners from the angle bracket at the top of the arm. These are the last fasteners holding the support arm assembly to the unit, so be careful as to not scratch the side of the unit when these are removed. With the support arm assembly on your bench, you will need to remove the head from the assembly to swap over to your new support arm assembly. To do this, unscrew the single bolt at the base of the head. Remove the head and install on the new arm with the same single bolt. When installing the new head, be certain that your wires are not being pinched by the arm. Now take the new support arm assembly and mount it to the wall using a single fastener. Now take the new support arm assembly and slide the head shaft into the end cap of the roll tube. Install the number 8 wax screw back into the end cap to secure the head shaft, leaving a 1/8 inch gap to prevent shearing the head of the screw. Now you can cut the zip tie and install the remaining fastener into the angle brackets at the top of the arm. Pull the wires out of the bottom of the awning arm. If the arm is a top mount, wires can be removed from the top as well. Use a cordless battery again to extend the awning fully. Install the remaining fasteners, 2 at the bottom and 2 in the middle of the mount arm. Reconnect the wires from the motor to the unit. Check the switch of the awning to make sure everything is running in the proper order. Last of all, with everything reconnected and resecured, be sure to seal all areas to prevent water intrusion.